Hey everyone, welcome back to ITVX, your channel for smart solutions and tech tips. Today we're starting a new tutorial, how to using the remote control Bush TV UK. Standby switches TV to on and standby. Numeric buttons for direct channel selections or track/chapter numbers. TV, channel list/TV source. Sources changes the input source on the TV. V+/dash, volume up/down. Mute, press to mute sound, press again to restore sound. Info/reveal in TXT mode. P+/dash, program down/page up dash, program up/page down. Menu on off. Q menu, quick menu. Navigation buttons, used to navigate through the OSD menus and program guide. OK, confirm. Hold, in TXT mode. Channel list. Back. Exit/return. Multimedia browser. EPG, electronic program guide, in DVB channels. Text. Red button. Green button. Yellow button. Blue button. Lang. Subtitle turns subtitles on off. P. Size changes the picture size on the TV. Rewind, rapid rewind when media is being played. Pause, pauses when media is being played. Fast forward, rapid fast forward when media is being played. Record. Play plays selected media when in media mode. Stop, stops any playing media. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching ITVX.